who I met like 2 minutes ago, who will probably be the only person to watch this video. But anyway, I'm gonna try and make this super simple. With gardening, making a 69 plot or however whatever size you want to make it, but just in large quantities. I usually go to the crowns menu, go to the housing tab, look up platform, and you've got one or two options. Either one of these works. I prefer this one. You don't have to spend crowns on it. Literally costs that much gold. Super easy. Just buy that, exit, get annoyed by this random little invoice thing, and then boom, plop it down. I use the what is it? The Red Barn Farm, just because it gives an extra additional bonus to your plants that makes them grow faster. It's called likes. Super awesome. So the next thing you're going to want to do is, obviously pick whichever plot that you want. Yeah, so couch potatoes are large plots. So you basically pick a large plot, set it down there, and just kind of let it go. And then this next part is a little bit tricky, but I think I've got the math down pretty well. Obviously, you're going to want to use housing movements. The way that you do that is go into your housing menu, click on this, use the advanced movements, and you'll see this page. What you want to do is click this one, switch between relative and absolute movements. Oh man, I see you dancing on the side there. That's awesome. And then boom, this is basically the menu that you're going to use to move this platform left, right, down, up, however you want to go. I usually just start with X. 1, 2, oh wait. Exit out of that. That will cancel out everything that was about to happen. What you want to do, get back to that menu, slide the sensitivity all the way down, and I usually just click the check mark just to have it saved. That was the wrong menu. And then click X or Y axis. X will go one way, so X is going this way. I clicked it 4 times, so let's check that out again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is all you should need to be able to plant another large plot. The reason that you're going to want to do 4 little movements one way is specifically because whenever you plant the seed, it takes up a certain area. Obviously, you can't place, plant a seed and then put a crate directly on top of it. It needs space. So from what I've gathered, 4 movements is, basically the minimum that you would need in order to make this work. And then again, we're going to go down or up. So we'll click 1, 2, 3, 4. It went that way this time. Set that by clicking the green thing, or the green check mark. Put this, and then boom. So that one is going to be on the same y-axis as this second one that we planted. And just kind of get this going, we are actually going to go X minus, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically made a little square about this, and as soon as I plant this, you'll kind of be able to see it a little bit better. But basically, it's in all 4 of these are going to be in a square now. And you can do it by squares, kind of. I usually will do like a complete row of 8. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'll go up and then do the entire other row back. And just kind of snake it. Rather than if you were to make 3 and then go, if you were to kind of circle it, you wouldn't be able to put the middle one in just because of weird whiz mechanics. But yeah, hopefully that will help. And then, this kind of makes it redundant for the need to stack gardens, because you can literally, I want to say this is about a 60 plot. You can literally, with the level 15 or the 15 energy, rank 3 spells, or the 70, the 24-hour spells, this will fit the entire area just about. You kind of finesse it if you really need to. Obviously, like this, since I have so few couch potatoes, doesn't really need to. But with this, we'll just go ahead and cast this as an example. I'm going to be able to catch all of these king parsleys in this one spell, and you'll be able to see, every single one of them is now affected. Hopefully that helps.